back there is it then?
Oh, it's recording again, motherfucker. There's a latency on it. No.
What?
It's a latency whenever it's recording. And I can't stop it because I'm so close.
Okay.
It's like... It's just so hard to get my head around the latency. It's like stream lag, but I'm using like very fine movements. I'll show you when it's done. Okay. Where, the fuck?
You doing okay in the membrane, Danny?
No. I want to go to sleep. Where am I? I need needle nose. Awesome. Okay. So now, this part I'm going to lose my fucking mind over. Fuck off. This is how I'm using... This is how I have to use them.
Fucking Minecraft.
And go up, and then I squeeze. And then if that messes up, I have to go on the other side again. Middle finger tactic right there. It's a master level. It's a pro gamer move right there. It's a master level technique. Oh, so that's why. Fuck off.
Lose your mind, Danny.
I'm losing my fucking mind. We're not, are we? Okay, I'm coming from the other side with my very tired
System
hand.
of a downtime.
Oh my god. I honestly just want to zip tie this. I don't even care. Like, we're zip tying the boot anyway. Why do I have to get the hose clamp on? How do they assemble this at the factory? Jesus.
Tools are so bad, Danny.
Maybe you should have brought your own. Well, buy me some. Or get your
I
own.
don't care.
How can I do this? About that. No, this is in the way. What the fuck is that? Like a power steering ring or something? Oh, it's literally just like a millimeter too long in every direction. Look at how fucking grody my hand is.
It's supposed to be spring steel, but it's bending.
You think it's spring steel? Up,
Like,
and I
use mild steel. It'll be fine.
And I moved it all the way back in the corner. Not right there. Hey, got it. Oh my god. Chryslers.
This is why I just zip tied mine, man.
I mean, honestly.
Stop doing it. This thing can't work.
Ho hum. Ho ho hum.
Dude, I can't. This is too terrible.
I need smaller needle noses.
We need to get the zip tie on this one.
I could use my pliers maybe. No fucking way. That would never fit. Yeah, we need a zip tie.
We'll go get them.
All right. Where are they?
It should be on the ground over there.
I should use the black ones from Home Depot that are somewhere in my somewhere. Alright, I got black ones and I got white ones. Black ones are actually from nylon. Walmart. Nylon or
Danny, can you give me some normal pliers?
pliers or needle nose?
The big ones that usually they have like that are used for pipes and stuff.
Yeah. The moon's really shining.
There you go. The ones.
So we have white cable ties.
These ones are gonna be better, but you can use either. Everyone is longer.
Those.
These might not be long enough, so I just use the white
No,
ones.
I think the white one's for the big ones, but the black one's for the little ones.
What do you mean the little ones? We have a hose clamp.
That's not working on my side.
What do you mean it's not working?
My thing, the transmission's in the way. That's why I've been hugging on this fucking with this whole time, dude. Before I go full on zip tie. Ow. This is from the front. I just got a bunch of oil in my hair. Yeah, I have to get it. From the bottom back, as always. Safety squint's fully engaged.
Safety squints. That's from AVE.
I don't know what that is.
Safety squint. AVE.
What's AVE? Adult.
I don't know, Alien versus everything.
It's adult video entertainment, dude.
I need some good needle nose pliers. Is what I need. You got anything?
Nope, those are it.
No, I mean, you have any needle nose pliers?
Yeah, we have some.
Well, hand them to me.
All this latency is gonna kill me.
What are you doing?
Working.
Oh, where's the needle nose plier, dude?
So sick. Oh, motherfucker. There we go. Oh, thank God this is actually fucking working. To some degree. I think I just zoomed in accidentally because my touchscreen's on.
Ah, fuck.
Ah.
You can whip me, dude.
Oh shit. It's never good.
You're supposed to whip me, dude.
It's not supposed to whip you, dude. No, did I put it on backwards? Oh.
You can't.
I did. The zip tie, that is.
These hose clamps suck. I'm taking them off.
That's all I'm saying. Wait, were you trying to reuse a non-reusable zip tie or hose clamp? Because you can't reuse those.
That's okay. I'm taking them off.
Said you can't, but okay.
Crap off in here. And one of those zip ties, dude.
Yeah.
Get them over here.
Right over there. Okay. That's how it is right now. Let's see if we can't zip tie that even more.
And then I'm gonna put this one on real quick. There we go. There we go.
Fuck.
Right there. Perfect.
There we go.
Done. Next one.
Ah, son of a bitch.
Danny,
Yeah.
you tighten it up on the outside like this,
Yeah, I know.
and then you just move it on the inside.
And that's what I did, but it's really hard to get to on this side. I hope.
You doing the
that's
outside or the
on.
inside?
That's not. There we go. Neither.
Okay, I'm gonna move mine then.
Sean, don't do that. My arm is currently right next to the rotor.
Hey, just get your safety squint, dude. That's fine.
That won't save my arm from getting chopped in half by a brake rotor. That's what brake rotors do, don't you know? Is that going to be coming off? Probably. See if we can push it on. Screwdriver time!
I don't know where it is. Bring it right over here.
Oh, it's done by me.
It doesn't feel right.
The vent really needs to be clamped on, though. Okay. How's this? Is this guy tight? I think it's pretty tight. And rotate him.
Come on.
That's probably
I
not
wish I had a
enough.
knife.
You have a phone.
Huh? It's low battery.
Oh.
Come on.
Will you come off? I don't know. Let's see if we can get that tighter though. Oh, for fuck's sake, that'll have to be good enough.
Maybe it's 'cause
You
it's
still
got
rotate?
strength.
No, you don't. Yeah, you don't rotate at all. So now I need a cutter, something,
Try that in my eyes, Danny.
something to cut.
Right here.
Awesome. If I can get back there, this will be the perfect tool. If it can get back there. That's probably the right side. Hey, come on. That'll have to be good enough. There we go. Looks sharp.
This
Zip tie me. Thank you. Make sure it's the right side. That'll be.
This is definitely a problem.
That way. What do you mean that's a problem? What are you talking about, man? Oh my
Nah, I
god, this is
feel
a
that it's
fucking.
still inverted. It's because the power steering fluid got all over this.
Don't talk about it like that. It won't happen. How much you want to bet when we look down here again, these are going to be totally black? The white zip clamps, I mean. Ow.
Ow.
So that's the one.
Stop that.
What? Sorry.
Do not shine that in my eyes.
Bro, it's hard, man. It's hard.
Don't point in my direction.
Struggle is real.
No, I need to get this side done before I can do either of those.
Alright, that's good.
Ow.
Sorry, man.
Come on.
I keep on forgetting. Alright. So that'll be way easier to get off now. Which is both a good thing and a bad thing. And ain't budging. As Chris Fix would say. Is that right? Isn't that right, Sean?
What?
Huh? So where does the boot go down to? Just stop anywhere? Or does it go all the way down to the threads? Where does the boot go?
Ow!
Sorry. Sorry,
What are
man.
you doing?
I don't know. Oh, okay, I got you. So I have to wait for-
Danny!
Sorry. You keep complaining about light, and then the second I give you light, you're like, ow.
I'm complaining because I can't get this thing to flip around. It's got power steering fluid on it. So it... Unless this thing is just bloated. Hold on. Ow.
The fuck, man? You serious?
Ow. Ow. No, it's inverted, so I just gotta flip it.
I should check if mine's inverted, because I just zip tied it down. That'd be hell.
No, if it's this is like half the size.
Oh, that's why it slid on so easily, isn't it?
I doubt that side's inverted.
Yeah, it's not inverted. Unless I have no idea what I'm talking about, which isn't entirely unlikely. Okay. So there's my alternator.
Yep.
That's my exhaust manifold. I'm thinking about slapping some headers under here, you know what I'm saying? Because that's something that would be very viable with
Yes, you
this
like.
exhaust manifold. Okay. Oh. Zip tie.
Huh. There.
So, STP. Brand new oil filter.
Oh,
Oops.
I almost tripped over you.
Lol. It's not supposed to be that wet under here, is it?
Huh?
It's not supposed to be wet under here, is it?
Not really, that's from the power steering fluid.
Oh yeah, I forgot that happened. We should wash this down.
Really?
I'm concerned, man.
Can I see that?
Light.
Yes.
There you go.
Your battery's gonna die really quick like that.
What? Like what?
If you use it that way.
What?
If you use the video recording on it.
That's the only way to keep the light on.
Oh, okay.
And also this way I can actually, like, you know, upload.
Hold it right here if you can. Can you?
What? Hold what?
Just hold it right here.
The light.
Yeah. Need 2 hands for this.
Tell me when I'm not shining correctly.
Go towards your buddy, not towards your body. Alright.
Towards your buddy.
There you go. Good job.
There you go.
Yeah, it's reversed. I have to cut a little more.
Can't you just take it out and then put it back in? I know that would involve the whole tire.
Right, I can't do that, buddy. I think I got that. Oh, a little more light. Oh, I see. Come on, buddy.
Fuck you, buddy. We need more tool.
What?
What?
Huh?
Oh my god, it's got a crick in the neck.
Yep. Welcome to the wonderful world of working on vehicles, vehicular devices.
Oh, wow, that was really long.
Yeah, I need a screwdriver. Where's it at?
There it is.
Now you see why we need to lift it up that high? Look how much space you have if you hadn't done it. That was my technique.
Clever. You tore it right in half.
That's fine. I can zip tie it back.
Nah, fam. That's gonna be a whole new boot.
If you want.
Maybe later.
Alright, we gotta get it right on this shaft here, I think. Yep. And then, that's not enough. We have to grab our needle nose and give it the old twist.
Safety squints fully activate.
There you go.
Alright, so I don't know what you just did.
I twisted it so it gets a lot tighter than you could ever do by pulling.
Oh,
And
that
if you notice, if you look, the tie, is it? What do you call it? Barely invisible.
Oh, I should probably do that over here then. Oh, that's clever. That's my chin. How do you like that feel, huh? Probably right up my nose. Aye.
Move your hand.
Oh yeah, good call.
Move your hand.
No, I'm safe. I'm no longer safe. Don't move it.
I'm not moving it.
Okay. Where's the screwdriver? You just had it. Where's the screwdriver? Motherfucker. Oh. Chin mounts activate. Push there. Rotate like a bitch. Alright, that'll be the best. Do I want to fuck with that? Yes, I do. Right there. And then, ooh, I can actually see little. Alright, that's as tight as that's we're gonna get. And I got like 2 clicks out of that, I think. Maybe. So that's what that looks like. I hope that's good enough. One more. Just push that up.
There we go.
So,
But we need this to go on first.
I have no idea if that's any better. Easy that to come off. Versus this one, which I know is a lot better. Whoa! It'll be fine. So what you doing over here? That's my brother.
Not yet. That's on. This is underneath it.
This is my brother. This is the boot. This is the.
Alright.
What is that? The steering rack right there. This is a mystery bearing.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Oh, I'm just reaching around.
Fuck are you nuts? You losing your goddamn marbles?
No, I just saw your hands reaching around in the darkness because you can't see back here.
Oh.
This is really funny. So
What are you touching me for?
I'm not touching you. I'm giving you some
Touching me, dude.
new nose pliers.
Don't be touching me, dude.
New nose
I already
pliers.
have pliers.
Nah, fuck you.
I came prepared.
No, you didn't. Because you would have brought your light if you came prepared, and I wouldn't have to use my flashlight and record it. I only have
I
43%.
need to get some fucking sleep.
The one thing this thing is good at is recording, apparently. It's been going for 26 minutes. The exhaust is now officially cold. I can cut it from down here if you'd
I
like.
don't want to cut it.
What?
Not yet. Tighten it.
I thought you had
Pop
already
off while you're
tightened it.
driving. Come on. I can't reach in there. You're gonna have to do it for me. Use your needle nose.
Can't I use yours? Do I have to hold down the zip nut?
Just rotate it against the zip tie. Use the zip tie as a lever. Like that, yeah. Keep going until... No.
No.
So like...
Okay, I got you.
Yes. Go ahead.
Uh-huh. There. Oh,
Keep going.
that is
Until it
not.
snaps.
What snaps?
Just keep turning until it snaps.
What snaps?
The
Ginger
zip
snaps?
tie. Just turn.
Oh my god!
It's okay if it's at an angle. Yeah, that's fine. No. There you go. You got it. Keep
That's
going.
a lot. Extra zip tie. Is that good enough?
Let's see. That's tight enough, yeah.
Alright, there we go. Hope that doesn't snap off. I don't suppose it will. Almost impaled myself in the eye. As the old eye.
Cut it more flush than that, please. There you go.
Why? Is that just to satisfy your OCD?
Just because you're gonna cut somebody who's gonna cut their hand if they don't.
Alright,
good
so
enough.
now.
That shit's sharp. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now we need to get that guy in the back, and we're done on this side.
Mine could be tighter.
How am I gonna get that guy? Hand? Maybe?
Yeah, mine could definitely have been tighter.
Work sucks. Alright.
This is why Big Brother's here.
Too big.
No such thing. I'll just leave it like that too.
Oh no.
As well. This motherfucker again. So there's just 30 minutes of me working on this one zip tie. And it's still not fucking tight. That'll make an Italian proud. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Oops. Are you watching me?
What's up?
What you doing up there?
You looks like you got it. Did you make sure that the zip tie didn't go around the vent?
The zip tie went around the vent, yeah.
It shouldn't.
No, not. I have 2 zip ties. Because there's
Okay, yeah.
no way that the.
Just make sure that it didn't go over. Your second big tie, the big one didn't go
Yeah,
over.
the big one doesn't touch the vent.
Okay. Can you see me up there?
I think I just cut
The
the
camera? Can you
boot.
see me?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Yay. Woo! What's going on?
Did you get this outer one yet?
Nope. I have no idea where that one goes.
What? No, you just pull it out.
Don't you have to push this all the way in, then do that, then stretch it out?
Nah. This guy right here. Yeah, you can do that. Move your hands real quick.
Yeah, no, nowhere near. Isn't that crazy? It just moves all by itself. Okay.
Hey, move.
Maybe that's not tight enough. I don't think my zip tie's tight enough.
Turn the other way. Hope it comes back out.
I can rotate my boot. Okay.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, your side's fine. There you go. It's got one more.
Does
It's
it go?
gonna in.
Does it go to that point right there?
No, it's gonna go push one more in. Can't because of the inner tie rod. That's really tight on your side. We might just slit it again and then. Actually, no, I have a better idea.
I'll use a needle nose. Yeah. Same way we got it off. Same way we get it on. Why?
You doing?
Oh, that'll work.
Yeah.
Maybe it won't.
No, I just didn't have it tight enough. Can you not ruin stuff?
It's my fucking boot.
Move.
These boots were made for steering.
Yes, they were. Let's get this tight enough to where it'll grip. A little tighter. Whoa. No, dude.
I pushed it up for you. Is that a snare drum?